Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain you how to read most commonly used file formats for data science like comma separated values, CSV file, MS Excel file, TSV file which is tab separated values file using pandas in our Jupyter environment. So for that we have to first import pandas as PD. Now let me first read CSV file which is comma separated values file. Now so for that we have to write pd dot read underscore csv function of pandas. Here we can directly give the file name with extension or with path. So now here you can see in my case csv file that I want to read which is available in D drive in machine learning folder which contains ML folder which contains DS folder. In that my file is available. So let I copy this path with Ctrl C and let I paste it over here. Now here we have to give the file name with extension. So now here you can see I want to read this marks.csv. So click on rename, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V over here. And we have to give the extension .csv. Now let me display data over here. Now you can see our file is successfully printed over here. Now if you do not want to give this path every time, then what we have to do? So for that you have to write pwd to know your current working directory. So in my case, my current working directory is C users del. So every time I have to paste my data set at this particular path. Now you can see over here, let I want this file. So let I copy this file that I have to put at C users and del Control V, which is already available. So let I copy and replace. Now here you can see now my file is available at this particular location C users del. So every time I not required to write this path, I can directly give this file name. So now let I show you this. So data then pd read underscore csv then marks.csv and data. Now you can see my file is directly available over here. So we not required to give the path every time. So you can check your current working directory with pwd in Jupyter Notebook and paste your data set at this particular path. So every time you not required to write this path, you can directly give your file name with extension. So now let me read MS Excel file in our Jupyter environment. So now data is equal to pd read underscore excel that we have to use to read the MS Excel file in our Jupyter environment. So now again this particular file is available at this particular path in my case. So let I copy this path with Ctrl C and paste it over here. Slash we have to give our file name. So that I have given, let I rename it Excel underscore file with extension. As you know, Excel SX, which is our extension. And let I print the Excel sheet over here. Now you can see our Excel file is successfully printed in our Jupyter environment. But now you can see my Excel file which contains two sets, set 1 and set 2. So in pandas by default read underscore Excel reads set 1 data. But if you want to read set 2 data, then here you can see by pressing shift tab to check the different parameters of read underscore Excel. Here you can see read underscore name that we have to provide to read underscore Excel function. So set underscore name which starts with 0. So here we have to give the 1. Now you can see our sheet 2 data is successfully printed over here. So here you can write sheet underscore name parameter to read data from different sheets of Excel. Now let me read tab separated values file. So for that we can use pd read underscore table, or also we can read with read underscore csv, that I will explain you shortly. Now again here tsv file available at this particular path. So let I copy this path and paste it over here. Then we have to give the file name. So restaurant underscore review. Let I copy this and paste it over here. Let we have to give tsv extension, then data. Now you can see our tsv file is successfully printed over here. Now let me read this tsv file using pd read underscore csv. Same we have to provide the path of that tsv file. So let I copy this path where actually my tsv file is available, and this time you can see by default read underscore csv read the csv file which is comma separated values. So here when you press shift tab, over here you can see by default separator is comma because it is read underscore csv. So we have to change this separator to slash t because it is restaurant underscore reviews is tsv file tab separated values. Now you can see our tsv file is successfully printed with help of read underscore csv. So in place of slash t you can provide any separator which is available in your file. So please remember, sometime only this backward slash can give you error. So at this time we have to write this double backward slash. Thank you for watching.